delicious and easy Cool Whip candy.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, you will need some chocolate chips for this. You could use semi-sweet or milk chocolate. I'm using semi-sweet. Melt that in the microwave until smooth. Then you're going to add 1 tub, 8 ounces, or if it's Canadian, 1 liter of Cool Whip. Now the reason I got the measuring cups out here is that I wasn't sure if our Cool Whip tubs were the same size as the American ones, and they are. It's about 3 cups of Cool Whip, maybe a little tiny bit more. And then all you have to do is just fold the Cool Whip into the melted chocolate. Really, it's that easy. Just keep folding until it's nice and smooth and you don't see any more white Cool Whip anymore. Then you're going to take an 8 by 11 inch baking dish, line it with parchment paper that's been lightly greased, and then just put your mixture in there, spread it out, and then pop this in the freezer until it is solid. Then take it out and cut it into small pieces. And once it's all cut up and you kind of separate the pieces, just pop it back in the freezer while you melt your coating for the next step. Now I'm using candy melts for this. You could use whatever you want. I have the green, the red, and the white. And then just dip each piece into the melted candy melts. Now I found with the white that the chocolate started to melt a little because the candy melts are warm, of course, and it was leaving streaks of chocolate into the white. But for the green and the red, it didn't seem to be that big of a problem for some reason. So just dip them in, tap off the excess. And because I was making these for Christmas, I added a few little decorative holly sprinkles to these. This makes a really large pile of cubes. It makes a lot. Now another idea you could do is you could probably cut out different shapes using cookie cutters to get little Christmas tree shapes or little ornament shapes, whatever you'd like. These need to be stored in the refrigerator. They're better when they're cold. Now the texture of these is like a truffle. It's very truffle-like. They're very good, and I think it's a great, easy little candy that you could make. Hope you give these a try. Thanks for watching. I love candy making, and I have some of my favorites on a playlist on my channel. So go ahead and click on your screen and check it out.